Hello and welcome to this HowTech video tutorial. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to create a drop-down list. So I'm just going to get started with creating a new sheet here, just to get some of this stuff out of the way. And we'll type in Q1, and I can go ahead and drag all that down, because all of this is what I want to be in my drop-down list. So then, we just select it all, right-click it, and we can define a name for that. I'll just go ahead and call it quartered. Hit OK. And another thing to note is in define name, you can change the scope to just one of the worksheets or the whole workbook, which is what we have. And we right click down here, or rather we go to the data tab, hit data validation, and we can allow a list only here. And we want the source to be equal to quarter. Hit OK. And there it all is. We can just simply pick one there, drag it all down, and we can pick one for each of these, which is very convenient, especially if you have other things, or if you wanted maybe some sort of survey or had a quiz which had set answers that a student could choose. This has been a HowTech video tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.